Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I'm going to show you exactly how I achieved this low manipulation style for this Bantu knot out ponytail, and I used some of my favorite products by Luster's Pink. So let's get started. I did start off with freshly cleaned and deep conditioned hair. I'm going to apply some leave-in conditioner to my section and also detangle starting from the bottom up to prepare my hair to do Bantu knots. So I did have 4 sections when doing this style, and I made sure that my hair was air dried to about damp before manipulating in my hair and adding product. So first, I'm going to start with the classic pink oil moisturizer hair lotion, and this is perfect to moisturize your hair to add shine. It's great for textured styles, curls and coils, and twist outs and Bantu knots, which we're going to do today, and great for pups back in the day because that's what my mom used to use on my hair for my pups. So I love this stuff for shine. It's amazing. So I just make sure I get all of the sections. I split large sections in half and make sure I get those 2 smaller sections and just apply a little bit more to make sure I get those ends, just to make sure that the moisturizer is all over where it needs to be. Now to seal, I'm going to use Luster's Pink Natural Oil Blends, and I love this blend for many different reasons. Today we're going to seal. This oil blend has castor, tea tree, sage, rosemary, coconut, sweet almond, and lavender plus vitamin E. And I'm just going to make sure that I apply that oil from my ends and work my way up to my root area. I'm going to brush my edges back just a little bit to prepare this section to do the Bantu knot. So I do have a total of 4 sections. So what I do for my Bantu knots, I twist it at the base area going backwards. So I flip it down to twist, and then I go ahead and start wrapping around the base area. So I want it to kind of look like a little mini donut. So I did do 4 sections, but of course you can do more or less, depending on your personal style. But the more Bantu knots you do, the smaller the curl. The less Bantu knots you do, the larger the curl or wave will be. So I just secured it with a bobby pin like this, and I did 4, and in the morning it will be nice and dry and ready to style. So I love doing Bantu knots to give my hair some healthy heatless curls. So it's time for bed, and I'm going to just put my scarf on for bed. And I really love that my hair is nice and neat, so when I wake up in the morning, there won't be too much for me to do. So I'm ready for bed, and the next morning, you guys, it is all dry and ready to style. My hair feels really, really good, and I'm going to go in with Luster's Pink Glosser, and this provides some really high shine. So I'm just going to apply this to my hand. I like spraying it on my hand because I feel like I have a bit more control. So I really enjoy applying the glosser while I unravel my Bantu knots because it also provides amazing shine, but it helps with frizz also. So I'm just going to continue to do this for each section and take my time. But when I unravel the Bantu knots, I just want to make sure I keep them in one big curl while I do this. So in the back, we're done. So I'm just going to start taking my fingers to loosen up the hair at the base of my hair, but don't rake it all the way down because we want to keep those curls intact. So I'm going to apply a little bit more of the Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer Lotion, and I'm just going to use my finger to finger comb my hair up into a ponytail. I don't want to use a comb because I don't want to manipulate too much into the curls that I have here because they'll get frizzy. And I'm just going to take my time while doing this. And next, for my edges, I'm going to use Luster's Pink Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. And this is actually alcohol-free, which is so good to hear. It's formulated with certified organic olive oil, argan oil, and pro vitamin B to nourish your hair. And I really love that this fights frizz, and it really smooths my edges out, being that I'm a couple weeks post-relaxer. And I'm just going to work this on in. And next, I'm going to use an ouchless band for my ponytail. And I'm just going to make sure everything is nice and neat. And I want my ponytail quite high up. And I'm just going to wrap that safely around my hair. And I'm just going to, fix my edges a little bit. I'm not going to do too much baby hair, but I'm just going to do a little swoop, you know, just something a little cute. So this gel definitely does what it needs to do. So to set my edges a bit more, I'm going to apply a scarf for about 10 minutes. And boom, we're done. Everything is set and ready to go and looking really good. I am in love with this gel. It's so soft to my edges and adds amazing shine too. So this is the final style, you guys. I am in love with these Bantu knots and how it came out using the Luster's Pink products. And my hair feels so soft and it has so much shine to it. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. And if you're looking for Luster's Pink products for yourself to use and try out, they're available at Target, Walmart, Sally Beauty, Walgreens, Rite Aid, and your local beauty supply store, and available on lusterproducts.com. And stick around to check out more of my hair tutorials here. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.